Up over there on the East Coast, meteorologist Anthony Dommel's here with another check of our forecast. But here in Michigan, what, if anything, are we going to see from this nor'easter?
We're really not going to see anything from it. It's already downstream far enough that we're not going to see any of the western flurries or snow showers at this point. But it already brought us some snow yesterday morning. That was our about 2.5 inch snowfall in Grand Rapids, more like 3.5, 4 inches in Kalamazoo. At this point, though, again, it's so far off to our east that we're actually getting some sinking motion on the periphery of this storm at this point. You get a lot of upward motion with low pressure and a storm causing clouds to form and precipitation. Obviously, it is still snowing in New York, although it looks like the heaviest snow has moved a little bit further inland and off to the north into Connecticut and Rhode Island and Massachusetts. So that is where the heaviest snow is currently heading towards Boston. Here in West Michigan, boy, we got even better weather than anticipated today. Had some sunshine right from the start, or close to the start. It was shortly thereafter sun up where we got better amounts of sunshine, and even as Derek said earlier, a little bit of melting going on too. Temperatures right around 32, 33 degrees for a max reading, and we're going to tack on a couple more degrees for Tuesday and Wednesday. The atmosphere slowly warming up, even more so on Wednesday. There could be some spots really pushing into the 30s on Wednesday. Enjoy that though, Derek and Annie, because our next system comes in on Thursday through the afternoon and into the evening. It tends to be very marginal initially, but we'll probably see a switch over to snow for a several-hour period, and there could be some light accumulations there late at night into early Friday. We'll keep tabs on that. The bigger story, though, is going to be some Arctic air. Thank goodness we're already into February, because if this type of an air mass had come down in December, boy, we'd be thinking, wow, this has got a long way to go. But again, we're in the month of February, 28 days to go, and then meteorological spring, at least, we've got to look forward to. And we're going to knock a couple more days off the calendar tomorrow and Wednesday with fantastic weather. See those sunshine symbols? It is going to be predominant sunshine, just a couple clouds perhaps in the mix from time to time. Partly cloudy skies at 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 11 o'clock. We'll be dropping back into lower 20s by that point, at which we're doing that 11 o'clock show tonight. And we'll likely get down into the middle teens, I think, for most locales to begin the day on Tuesday. Around the Midwest, yes, it's chilly, but for early February, really not too bad. It's off into northern Canada, where the extent of the cold is growing, and it will be pushing southward with time the next few days. We'll be tracking that very closely and then making a real push down into the Midwest and Great Lakes by this coming weekend. Lower 30s for the most part there on the board. You know, as I said, you get on the periphery of these big storms, and it helped to contribute to more sinking motion today, allowing for fewer clouds across West Michigan. You go over towards the Detroit area. They've got a lot more clouds than us, and even some flurries there near Detroit and Windsor. So, but really not much accumulation for them, if any. You got to go well over towards the East Coast to get in on some of this nor'easter snow, and obviously it is a big system dropping between 12 and 24 inches for those folks. Along the West Coast, see some moisture here. There's also another spiral in the Gulf of Alaska. Two disturbances will come together and bring us our next shot for these rain and snow showers. I think transitioning to mainly snow showers on Thursday evening. Let's watch the model, take it overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Still a lot of dry air here locally, except for the immediate lakeshore with a few more clouds. We're going to begin the day with a lot of sunshine. It's going to be a similar day tomorrow to what we had today. Similar day Wednesday to what we had today. High pressure will be dictating it for us, but then this next system will start to arrive overnight Wednesday into Thursday, just off to our west by the afternoon. Some rain and snow showers come in. Temperatures will be in the mid-30s initially, but as it cools down into the evening, we can pick up some light accumulations. I'll have more on that coming up. Derek and Annie, here we are in the 30s, but look at that by the end of the 7-day. Highs in the lower teens by Sunday and Monday.
We are due for that. Thank you, Anthony. Woman in Detroit.